Beko Dishwasher Error E01, what it means and how to fix it. The E01 error on a Beko dishwasher indicates a problem related to the device's control system. When this error appears on your Beko dishwasher display, it means that the control module has encountered difficulty managing the dishwasher's functions. This may be due to a malfunction in the module, a software glitch, or issues with electrical connections. To resolve the Beko dishwasher error E01, you can try a few basic troubleshooting steps. First, turn off the dishwasher and then turn it back on, as this can sometimes reset the system and restore proper functioning. If this doesn't work, check that the wires and connections to the control module are in good condition and not damaged. If the Beko dishwasher error E01 persists after following these steps, it may be necessary to call in a specialist. In this case, it's best to contact an authorized service center to accurately diagnose and fix the issue. Avoid attempting repairs yourself if you lack experience, as this could worsen the situation.